Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted border in Google Docs. So get it started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, add dotted border is then you can see and going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for the plus new option. When waiting, and click for the text box option and click for text box and click for the border color option and then initialize color and click for the border type option and click for 4px and border dash option and click for the dotted border, then click for the save and close option. Yes, okay. Now click for the in font of text. Then move a fixed position in face. It's okay. Then I show the dotted border in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.